Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome po sa NCR Rizal Properties. Okay, we're here in Antipolo, Kingsville Hills, Antipolo. Okay, so gated and guarded, 24/7. Maganda yung security. Okay, yung price natin dito, 7.5 million po. Okay, quality build to, trusted builder to. Trusted builder to. Alright? Then, yung down payment, pwede po tayo mag 10% down payment. Kung gusto nyo, 10% lang. Ha? 10% down payment. So, 10% ng 7.5 is 750,000. Then the rest, bank financing na natin. Okay? Kung magtatanong kayo, gusto nyo sample computation, message lang ha. Yan. So, dito tayo sa ground floor. Nakita nyo naman, open layout, living, dining, kitchen area. Right? Then yung parking space, maluwag na maluwag para sa isang sasakyan. Kung may motor pa kayo, big bike, kasyang-kasya. Okay? So, isa pa, one more look. Para mas ma-appreciate po ninyo. Quality build po ito. Guaranteed yan. Okay, tara, akit tayo sa second floor. By the way, itong unit na to, reserve na to, ha? Ang available yung kabila. Kabila na lang available. Approved na sa bangko to, yung buyer nito. Okay, so congratulations. Okay, so first bedroom, ayan. May provision for window type aircon. Then lahat may built-in cabinets. Yung second bedroom, I think almost the same lang ng first bedroom. Yan. So, hindi ko napapasukin ha. May built-in cabinet. Parehas lang ng first bedroom. Okay? So, ito yung common toilet and bath para dyan sa 2 bedrooms. And, ito yung malaki master's bedroom. Yan. So, 7.5 to ha. Master's bedroom natin. Hindi po kasama yung aircon ha. Baka mapasin nyo yan, yung split type. Pinalagay na po yan nung nakabili. Ha? Since approved naman na siya sa bangko. So, pwede na magpasabay. Okay? So, ito yung toilet and bath para sa master's bedroom. O, one more look. Para makita nyo yung space ng master's bedroom. Again, 7.5 million lang po, 10% down payment po tayo dito, ha? 10% down payment lang. So, kung mapapa-approve kayo, kung gusto nyo, sample computation, message lang po. Nandito naman yung number ko. Sa screen, mobile, Viber, or WhatsApp. Pwede. Isa na lang available. So, yung reservation fee natin dito is 50,000. Deductible naman po yun sa down payment natin. Okay? So that's it. Yan. Again, my name is Vin of NCR Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching po. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.